So I'm with Julie and Joe, and they've just come out of one of the cabins. What do you think, ladies?
Absolutely fantastic.
I know, which one do you want?
I want the one with the king-size bed in.
Right, that first one with the bed in it.
Definitely that
Beautiful,
one.
isn't it? Can you imagine having one of these? You've got kids, shove them in there in the garden.
Definitely. Or grannies.
Yeah, well, this is the thing. This is what everyone keeps saying. My mum would fit in there. Lovely.
Oh, they're lovely.
And I also like the one with the barbecue in the middle.
Yes.
Like that
It doesn't
one
even
as
have to
well.
be hot to have a barbecue.
No.
This is what I was saying to these
Absolutely
ladies
perfect.
over there. Get the girls round in the barbecue. No men allowed. Lovely.
Yeah, absolutely perfect.
So what do you think of this one?
It's amazing.
I know! Can you imagine that in your garden?
Yeah.
All the barbecues you could have.
Yeah. It is amazing. Look at it.
Hubby's impressed?
Very.
Very impressed. Can you get your barbecue on in there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My garden is big enough for this, isn't it? Not the wonky shed down. We'll have this.
Not the wonky shed down, get the cabin master up.
Very impressed.
Would you like this in your garden?
Isn't the size of garden? Yeah.
How cool would this be in your house?
Oh my god, I want it so bad.
And why do you think it's brilliant?
Oh, I just think it's like sick because it's like you're in a little hideaway where you can like just do
It's
stuff.
like really big, it's got like all the equipment. I think it's really cool.
What do people use the cabins for? Because there's such an array of different ones. You've got one as a gym, one's like an amazing games room.
Yeah, well, these things, the barbecue cabins, are really very popular.
They're so cool.
The best seller. But we've been doing these for about 20 years.
And can you get whatever you want in? Or do they come in like a standard
Literally,
size?
Emma, you can have anything.
For that in our
See,
garden.
this is perfect. This is what I was saying. My mum's on her own, and I was saying when we were buying a house, she was saying if you could buy somewhere and then build something like this, it would be ideal.
I think it's called quite a trend. Somebody down the road's doing the same thing.
Oh, really?
One of something like this in their garden.
I think this is nicer than my house.
Yeah. So nice than my bedroom.
I think your mum would be very proud. There's a bathroom and everything. Very nice indeed. And if they could come around and decorate it exactly like this, I'd be really pleased too.
Yeah, no, it's beautiful.
Well, there you go. Ideas for your mum.
Yeah. Pay for it though.
It's been an absolutely wonderful day. It couldn't have been better. The weather's been fantastic.
Gorgeous,
Everybody's
isn't
been
it?
great. Great audience, great food.
Nice.
It's been wonderful.
You've done some cooking as well?
I have, me and every there's a cooker and some kind of eat.
So there's plenty of barbecue cabins as well.
It is. It's absolutely wonderful, and this is something I want one of these in my garden.
I know, right?
I've got to, listen, guys, you've got to have one of these in your garden. It really is. I have a neighbor that's built one in his garden.
Really?
It looks very dilapidated, but it still shows off at me that at least he's got something.
Well, this
which
is the thing. You need to
I
get
can't
that
wait.
one
I
in your
can't wait to
garden.
get one of these in so I can look over the fence and be like, yeah.
Look what I've got. Well, they're fabulous, and you've been fabulous. So thank you so much
cheers.
for
No
coming to
problem,
the Smooth
no
Radio
problem.
Garden Party here at Cabin Master.